Hello and welcome to Cardanit tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to use the Collectivity element. The Collectivity allows you to reuse the same process as many times as you want. You can find the Collectivity element in the library on the left. We're now going to show you an example on how to use the Collectivity element. Let's now open a process created previously named Collectivities. You can now see a high-level logistic process. Here you can find two collectivity elements, national order and international order, to recall activities. To save space in the diagram, we need to hide the details. Details can be seen in the other diagrams, where the processes within the collectivity are expanded. This is one of the main goals of the collectivity functionality, making high-level diagrams more readable. Another benefit is to have the same process recalled more than once. This allows you to save time by modeling it once and for all. To set the process reference to the collectivity, click Called Element and select the process you want to use. You can see the process is now marked by a star. The same process can be set in more than one collectivity. In this case, billing can be recalled several times. With Collectivity, you can also recover data inputs and data outputs of the reference process. The invoice produced in the billing process is used in the parent process simply by configuring a data output association of the collectivity as shown in the video. We hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Thank you for your attention. To make sure you're not missing out any new Cardanit video, subscribe to our newsletter and receive more useful tips and updates.